Kubor nakaslem jong Nongbah Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajelah u Conrad Sangma hane kasngi haba keren sikilat patai kubor ula pentip ba ka jingsuk kalawan bat kam don chiu kanu ke jingjia ha ka Nongbah Shillong ha kini ki ar pusau kanta ha ka ju kapor bun ki jing yathir haba ide ber ka Shongsuk Shongsaiñ kilayat na kasngi sha kasngi na kaleng jong u ula ongru ba kin yai peteng ya kijing ya keren kenang ba ka Shongsuk Shongsaiñ kan wan Phai Biang ha ka Nongbah Shillong mat ha ka jelahi berok kawai.
So, friends, as of now, the law and order situation, as was asked by some of you, just want to mention that we have not had any major incidents in the last 24 hours. There has been calmness in most of the areas of the city. At the same time, a lot of discussions have been held with different stakeholders and different individuals to ensure that there is peace overall in the city. So, in a nutshell, that is the situation as of now, and we are continuing to communicate to different stakeholders to ensure that normalcy returns as a whole, normalcy returns to Shillong city and the state as a whole.